Hello students, I am Sheetal Bhanushali from Saraswat International Academy. I am teaching mathematics of standard 1st, chapter number 2, addition up to 20, part 3. So students, in the earlier part, we studied number combinations up to 9. Now, we will learn number combinations of 10. So let us begin. Color the grid as shown to learn all the number combinations of 10. Now here in the first column, all the 10 boxes are colored with orange color. So 10 and no boxes colored with purple color. So 10 plus 0 is equals to 10. So this is a combination of 10. 10 plus 0 is equals to 10. Then in the second column, 9 boxes are colored with orange color and 1 with purple. So 9 plus 1 is equals to 10. So again, this is another combination of 10. Next, 8 boxes with orange color and 2 with purple. So 8 plus 2 is equals to 10. Again, this is the combination of 10. How many combinations of 10 will be there? 11 combination. You remember students? Number plus 1 more. So 10 plus 1, that is 11. Got it students? So now moving further, first you will color 7 boxes with orange color. How many boxes? 7 boxes. And the remaining boxes with purple color. So 3 boxes are remaining. So you have to write here 7 is already written plus 3. So 7 plus 3 is equals to 10. Got it students? Next, 7. What comes before 7? 6. So you need to color how many boxes? 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count properly while coloring. So here you will color all the 6 boxes with orange color and rest with purple color. Got it students? How many boxes are remaining? 4. So you will color with purple. So you will write here 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 gives us 10. Got it students? Next, you will color 5 boxes with orange color and 5 boxes with purple color. So what you will write here? 5 plus 5 is equals to 10. Got it students? Moving further, what comes before 5? 4. So you will color 4 boxes with orange color. And what comes after 5? 6. So you will color 6 boxes with purple. Got it students? What you will write here? 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6 gives 10. Got it students? Same way, what comes before 4? 3. So you will color 3 boxes with orange color. And what comes after 6? 7. So you will color 7 boxes with purple. And what you will write here? 3 plus 7 is equals to 10. Next, 2 boxes with orange color and 8 with purple color. Got it students? And you will write here 2 plus 8 is equals to 10. Moving further, 1 box with orange and 9 boxes with purple. So you will write here 1, plus 9 is equals to 10. Got it, students? Next, no orange color. You will color all the boxes with purple. Got it, students? And you will write here 0 plus 10 is equals to 10. Got it, students? Now, just count how many combinations are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many combinations? 11 combination. Got it, students? So students, I have written here O and P. Don't write O and P. Wherever I have written O, you have to color that with orange color, and wherever I have written P, you have to color it with purple color. Got it, students? So moving further, fill in the eaten part of Mote's biscuit. Now, using these combinations, you have to fill all these parts. So let us start. 3 plus dash is equals to 10. So 3 plus 7 is equals to 10. So you will write here 7. Got it, students? Next, 6 plus dash is equals to 10. So 6 plus 4 is equals to 10. So you will write here 4. Next, dash plus 4 is equals to 10. So again, 6 plus 4 is equals to 10. So 4 is already written. So you will write here 6. Next, 7 plus dash is equals to 10. So 7 plus 3 is equals to 10. Got it, students? Next, dash plus 1 is equals to 10. Dash plus 1 is equals to 10. So 9 plus 1 is equals to 10. So you will write here 9. Got it, students? Now these remaining 3 you have to do by yourselves. This is your homework. Got it, students? Okay, students. So moving further, let us start with the word problems. In the jungle, 7 turtles swimming in a river. 3 more turtles join them. How many turtles in all? So, 7 turtles were swimming and 3 more turtles joined them. So to find out how many turtles in all, we need to add 7 and 3 together. Students, if you remember number combinations well, you can use that number combinations here. Or you can also add by counting forward. So 7 plus 3, in this 7 is the bigger number. 7 is the bigger number. And you have to add 3. So you will count forward 3 times. So what comes after 7? 8, 9 and then 10. So 7 plus 3 is equals to 10. 7 plus 3 is equals to 10. So how many turtles in all? 10 turtles. So you will write here 10. Got it, students? Next, 2 monkeys swinging from a branch. 6 monkeys swinging from another branch. So how many monkeys in all? So 2 monkeys at one branch and 6 monkeys at another branch. So to find out total number of monkeys, you need to add them. You can also add them with the help of number combinations which we have learned in the earlier part, or you can also add it with counting forward method. If you add it with the help of number combinations, then 2 plus 6 gives us 8. So 2 plus 6 is equals to 8. Or else you can also add with the help of counting forward. Both the answers will be same. Let us check which is the bigger number in 2 and 6. 6. So you need to circle 6. And then how many times you have to count forward? 2 times. How many times? 2 times. So what comes after 6? 7 and then 8. So what is the answer? 8. So both the answers are same. Got it, students? So here you will write 8. 8 monkeys in all. You can use any method. Answer is not going to change. Got it, students? Next, 6 yellow butterflies sitting on a flower. 3 red butterflies join them. How many butterflies in all? So, 6 yellow butterflies and 3 red butterflies. So, to find out how many butterflies in all, you need to add them together. If you remember number combinations, then 6 plus 3 is equals to 9. Got it, students? Or else you can count forward. Which is the bigger number? 6. So after 6 you have to add 3 more. So what comes after 6? 7, then 8 and then 9. Did you see? Both the answers are same. Whichever method you do, both the answers will be same. So you will write here 9. 9 butterflies in all. Got it, students? Next, 4 elephants walking one behind the other. 4 more elephants join them. How many elephants in all? So, first 4 elephants were walking and then 4 more joined them. So, 4 plus 4, the combination of 4. 4 plus 4 is equals to 8. Or else, both the number are same. So, what comes after 4? 5. You have to add 4 times. 6, 7 and 8. So, your answer is 8. Got it, students? So, you will write here 8. 8 elephants in all. Next, 5 giraffes drinking water at the pond. 4 more giraffes join in. How many giraffes in all? So first 5 giraffes were there and then 4 more joined them. So 5 plus 4 according to the number combination gives us 9. Or else another method, that is counting forward. Which is the bigger number here? 5. So you have to count forward 4 times because you have to add 4. So what comes after 5? 6, then 7 and then 8 and then 9. You have to add 4. So what is the answer here? 9. Both the answers are same. So you will write here 9. So your answer is 9 giraffes in all. So did you see, students? Whichever method you do for adding, the answer is not going to change. If you remember number combinations well, then you can directly write the answers. And if you do not remember number combinations, then you can use counting forward method also. Got it, students? But you have to remember number combinations also. Okay, students?